All right, check 1 2, check 1 2. Hey everyone, welcome back. I guess we're not at the concert hall anymore. I'm back in Toronto. I hope everything is cool with everybody. I went through a holy smokeolas, man, for sure. If you want to know what I've been going through, just check it out on the main channel. And it's been an experience, man. But I'm really happy to be back and playing a little bit of music. Because remember, a day playing music beats a day not playing music. All right, here we go. So what's in your lesson for today? Today, I'm going to introduce you guys to a jazz matrix. So let's just take a quick recap of what we've been through so far. So I taught you, I showed you guys what I learned from Steve, right? From Steve Lederer from the Woody Herman Band, what I learned from Steve. And that exercise, he used to call degrees of the scale, right? But it was pretty much up the chord, down the scale. Right? Like, not a big deal, man. Up the chord, down the scale. And there's a theory thing about it and whatever. And we kind of have to apply it a little bit, right? So I taught you that last year, and you were supposed to spend the entire year learning that. And there is stuff that I'll teach you that I learned from Barry, right? Because obviously I studied from Barry, and a long time ago. I'll show you that stuff. Different exercise down the road. So in addition, we did some other stuff. Forget about all that. Today we're going to do something similar and a little different. One of the biggest problems that you guys have is which notes go to which notes, right? And you ask me that. So when they say, you hear it all the time. I know I'm all over the place in this video, but I haven't done this in a long time. So when they say, hey man, just play the chord tones. You're playing a blues, right? B flat blues, tenor and C. You're like, that's not what the was. I played the chord tones, man. Oh, just play rhythmically. That's a little better. But what's happening here, and I've seen it from like almost everybody, and myself included, it's which notes go to which notes. So on that C7 chord, and if you're playing like, it's different. And I'm going to explain that as we move through a little bit of this video and as we move into some other videos. But right now, so just that's the thing. So even though you're on the C7 playing the C, like you're going from C7 to C7, you don't get to C7 from C7. That's a weird, like that's we don't, it's a thing. Right. You don't get to C7 by playing a C7. No, you don't, man. So you get to your C7 from like a dominant preceding it. So let's just say and there are many ways, right? This is like a beginning. We're just doing the matrix today. So you get to your C7 from a G7, right? You get to 1 from the 5. How do you get to the 1 chord? From the 5 chord. Like today, anyways, you're going to get to the 5 chord. So here's the exercise. This is it. This is it. This is the matrix exercise for you guys. So this is the exercise. And then I'm going to show you how to apply it to a song. And here we go. So it's a 4-bar exercise. And it's like this. 1 and 2 and I'm going to count it out. I'm not going to write it out for you guys. It's really easy. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 3 and 2 and now here, when we get to the third beat of bar 3, we're going to play the 5 chord going back to the 1 in bar 4, and we're going to take a breath because we've got to breathe. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 5 chord, da da da, 1, breathe. Everybody cool? In the key of C on the tenor, it sounds like this. C, D, E, F, G. Okay? C, D, E, F, G, F, E, D, C. And you want to pulse it. You want to sit, as you're playing with your metronome, and there's a time thing. All of our exercises kind of work on multiple things at the same time. Like that's what pros do, man. We work at everything at the same time. So this is kind of a technical thing, and it's a theory thing. It's an ear training thing. It's also a time thing. Daga 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 daga. Right? And when you get good, you could go daga 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 daga. And then you're internalizing the time as well. So that's why we're doing it like this. All right, here we go. In the key of C. Okay. Now I'm at the 5 chord. Coming down the 5 chord. G, F, D, B, and then to any note of the C chord, right? So I'm resolving to C in this. So it's, here we go. And that's the exercise, okay? And as you're playing with the exercise and you're having fun, you're gonna, goof around with it. So instead of playing B, C at the bottom, maybe you're gonna go play up to the E. Right? There's so much you can do. This is how we're entering into the matrix. So I did that on C. Let's now play it in the key of F. So I'm going to start on F, F, G, A, B flat, C, right? Up the first, up do to so in the key of F. And when I get here, I'm going to play the C7 chord. I'm already on C, right? C7 is the 5 of F. So I'm going to play the 5 chord going back to the 1. C, B flat, G, E, F. Guys, I want you to write it down, right? Right, that's the exercise in the key of F. Let's do it in the key of G. G, A, B, C, D. And when I get to the 5 chord, the D7, I'm going to play D, C, A, F sharp to G, right? So, right? Or I do that thing that I did on the, where I went to the 3rd. Oh, I don't know, man. Whatever you want to do to jazz up your thing, man. It's an exercise. It's kind of all right. So you guys have the exercise, right? Here, I'll play it in the key of D. All right, everybody cool, man? All right, let's return to the key of C. So that's your exercise, okay? That's what you write on paper. That's what you're going to practice in all 12 keys, and you're going to rip it up. Now, how do we apply this to what we're doing, right? Remember, I studied at Humber, man. Like every single thing at Humber is a performance class. Like I'm telling you guys, a professional is everything. Theory was a performance class, man. It is weird. It's like, all right, here we go. So the how do I apply this technique to music? Okay, let's shrink it down to 2 bars. So instead of a 4-bar exercise, which you're working on time and stuff, and in other days, you're going to stretch this out as well, right? Right, you're going to stretch it like, and it's going to evolve. Your exercise is going to evolve. But forget that. For today, let's apply this. We'll shrink it up. So in the key of C, instead of 4 bars, instead of 4 bars, we're going to play 2 bars. Okay, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then in the second bar, we're going to play. We're going to play the 5 chord there. So it's 1, 1, 1, 5, 1. You guys got it? All right. All right, check it out. So you just played C, 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 G7, C. Pretty cool, huh? All right. Let's back it up a little bit. Okay? So so you played C, 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 G. Now you're going to play C, C, D minor 7, G7, C. All right? So you're like it's kind of the same thing, you know. Like it's kind of the same thing. I mean, you could switch it up. Okay, write that down. So I played. Okay, so here we go. 2 bars. Okay, 1 1 1 5 1. Now we're gonna play 1 1 2 5 1. Because we got to get to the D, man. So I looped a little bit. I went C, D, E, F, G, F, E, C, D. Because to get to the D, I don't have to, but that's what I did. All right, good. Now let's take another step back from that. So we've just played C, C, D minor, G7, C. We played 1 1 2 5 1. All right, let's back it up once more. Let's play into the D minor, right? Like, what are we going to do to get to the D minor? Let's play like A7, right? Let's play the 5 of D. So we'll play like C, right? Because we're on C, and then we'll play A7 to get to D. So we started here. That's the matrix. And now we're going to do this. Right? That was C. And then when I played the A7 down because I'm going to D minor. So here's what I'm playing. So here's where I started. So here's your exercise. And then we chop it down for this song that I'll tell you what it is in a second. All right, that's 2 bars. First 2 bars of this song. It repeats, but like whatever. And then we're putting the chords in. So here we are right now. Right? And what we're playing, I'm playing 1 6 2 5. I'm suddenly playing Oleo, man. I'm playing Oleo. 1 6 2 5. And this is the matrix. And then you go 3 6. 3 6. E F G A B, and then down the A7, G sharp. I mean G E C sharp, and then we do it on D, man, because we're playing the D minor chord. D E F G A, and then down the G7, F D B, look to the C. Right? That's what. So now we're playing Oleo, man. That's the matrix. That's your lesson for today. We're going to stretch it out. We'll drop different chords into the matrix and we'll do other things. But that's the rhythm. That's right. There we go, man. It's great to see everybody. Remember, we play music, have fun. Write this stuff down. It's so simple. So that's the key of C. So that's Oleo. Right? One, or whatever, man. Whatever. I hope everybody has a super amazing day. Guys, I want you guys to make little videos of this. And not make little videos of you guys practicing and coming up with your own exercises based off the matrix here. And this is our lesson for the year, right? You know how I do it. One thing to study each year. We're studying the matrix this year. I'll tell you about bite and blur and semitones and all that kind of stuff as we move along. That's different kind of sounds. I'll explain that later. But this is it. So make videos of yourself applying this exercise and this technique to different songs. And I wish you the best, man. When I come back, we'll do it in different directions and stuff, permutations this year. Wishing everyone the best, man. I'm going to tell you guys, it's great to be back from the sunny side. I'm Maestro Du Soleil, wishing everyone the best of an amazing day. Good luck, guys, and I'll see you soon.